Hello and welcome back to the another program of this Python Basics Programs playlist. We have already completed 7 Python programs to understand Python logics better. This program we are going to create very small game where a user has to guess the random number, and we will focus more on the conditions in this Python program. So first we will see how we will get a random number from Python compiler. We will not enter that manually. To instruct the user that the user is close to the number or far from the number. And then once number is matched, we will confirm. It is going to be very interesting. So if you have not seen these Python programs, which I have already put on my YouTube channel, please go through all of these Python programs. These Python programs will make your basics very strong. Today we are on the program number 8. And I would request you to hit the like button. That will really help my YouTube channel to grow. Share your feedback in comments. I would really appreciate that. If you share the link of this video to your friends, that will be really helpful for me. PyCharm code editor. We have completed all of these programs you can see here, or you can see here also. I am going to add one new Python file, and the name of this Python file would be guessing number game. So the first thing is that we have to take any number, or this program have to take any number automatically. So for that, what I am doing, so I'm using this Python random library, and then any number between 1 to 100 can be taken by this Python program automatically. So just for understanding, we are printing that number so that we know before we are writing the logic, and we can test the logic. For user, when user will play, we will comment this line, so this number will not be printed. I hope you got my point. So anything in the entire program that I am starting from hash, that will become a comment for understanding. That will not be the Python code. In Python, the comment start from hash key. For now, I am just removing that hash so that we can understand which number this program has taken randomly. And then the code is not very long for this program. So you can see right now on your screen the entire code, but I will explain line by line. So the first line we are just printing, and then we are taking one number input from the user. So we are taking one number from user, and then what we are doing, this is the target number that is automatically taken. We are checking if the number is not equals to the target number. We are going through this loop. So what is happening in this loop? So let's say the target number minus the guessed number. So let's is within 1 to 10. So let's say the target number is 10, user has entered 9. So it is 1. The result is 1. So if it is within that range, you are very close. Please enter little higher number. Now you understand another thing. The target number is 75. User has entered 35. So the difference is too much. So difference is falling between this range. So how to understand how in Python, how will you check if any number is falling in between the range? So this is how it is. You can check if the number is falling between the range or not by using range function. So when I will run this program, you would be able to connect with all of these lines. So watch the complete video. And finally, if the difference is too much in negative, so let's say the entered number is, the target number is 7 and the entered number is 97. So the difference will be too much. That time you guessed too high, enter a lower number. So this is how we will see this. So before I run this, I just noticed a correction. Here we have to take 0 because that also we have to cover. Range from 0. Alright, now let's run this and see the result. So number is 17. I will enter 85. So your number is too high. Enter a lower number. So I will enter Let's say 72. Now difference is within the range of 10. You have to keep this code also in your mind. You have entered, you are close. Enter little lower number. So I will enter 70, 67, let's say. A little higher number. This time I will enter 70. Like this. So let's try once again. 43. I will enter 40. But it says you are closer, enter little higher number. I will enter 45. You are closer, enter little lower number. I understood it is between 44. 44. Again 43. Alright. I hope you enjoyed this video. To learn Python better with real-time logics, please subscribe to the channel and I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much for your time.